Alright, so for some reason, you're here wanting to download Metamask. Maybe a website you want to use requires it, or maybe someone told you that using your private keys directly with these decentralized websites is a bad idea. And in this case, they would be right. Let's take for example etherdelta. At any time, it could be compromised, which means that if you actually go to etherdelta.com, you could get redirected to a site that looks exactly like it. But when you import your private keys to import your account, it gets sent directly to the hacker, which then sends all your ETH to their accounts. Another thing they could do is when you click on new account, the ETH address they give you is actually their Ethereum address. Here, a way to use these types of sites are either through the Ledger Nano S or Metamask. We're going to use Metamask. I use Chrome, so I'm going to download it from the Chrome Web Store. Alright, so we click on Add to Chrome and then wait for it to download. Alright, so it's finally complete, and now let's start up Metamask. Okay, it has you review terms. We read it all really fast. Alright, so first, you have to create a password. Okay, so next you get a 12-word passphrase. You need to save this in a safe way. Some people write it on a piece of paper and put it in a lockbox. Some people divide it and send it to some encrypted email addresses. So you do whatever's comfortable and secure for you. So now we will click on I've copied it somewhere safe. And just like that, they give you your own account. And now when we go to etherdelta, let's refresh. And now we are logged in with MetaMask. Alright, and now let's see what happens when we try making a transaction. We're going to go to our good old trusty CryptoKitty's website and buy a CryptoKitty. Alright, so click on buy now. Now MetaMask notification shows up when you're about to run a transaction on the blockchain. It gives you the amount in ETH and USD, which would be 79 cents. Actually, no, because then there's a transaction fee for running the transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. This is what gets paid to the miners. The total is actually 86 cents. So now we could submit or reject. Let's submit it. We click on the transaction and now see it on Etherscan. Play the refreshing game.
A few moments later.
After a minute, it's now confirmed, and I officially have received this CryptoKitty.
Wow!
Safely, securely, honestly. So I hope that was helpful, and you can now surf the cryptoverse securely and safely.